Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. Shout out to the chat. All right, so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break down how I made 13K trading the Nasdaq 5 minute chart, and we're gonna do it. We are going to do it. We're gonna break it down. Okay, so let's go. So hopefully I'm trying to make sure that your chat can see me. The chat can see me because I don't see nobody in the chat so far. Hold on. I think I need a ref. Oh, okay, I see. All right, guys, you can hear me. Type in the chat. If you can hear me, type in the chat. Yes, yes, yes. Type one if you can hear me. All right, so let's break down this trade real quick. I don't know if it's my thing, but the chat is looking slow right now, bro. Okay, you can hear me. Okay, one. Let's good. All right, so let's break down this trade real quick. Okay, overall, made. If you look, just look to the left. Right here, you see I'm up 13K. Okay, for the day. But I'm gonna break down the chart real quick so you guys can understand what I was looking at. All right. So overall, what I was looking at today was this right here. Let's see, guys. Hold on. And I'm outside, by the way, in the backyard, real quick. So let's break down this chart. Let me mark down these levels real quick, and let me show you exactly what I was looking for. So right here, I'm gonna be honest with you, okay? At first, I was looking for shorts until I had to zoom out, okay? So I'm gonna be honest with you guys. So, automatically, if you look at this, it was looking kind of suspect because I mean, overall, we was having this little, I guess I don't know, whatever you want to call it, this breakdown right here. So I was thinking about possible shorts, right? And this bar right here man, this is crazy. So anyway, I was looking maybe for possible shorts to the upside if it pulled back to this area right here. So if we did something like this, where we decide to pull back right to this area right here, and then pull back, I'll probably look for some shorts right here, right? Um, but we didn't get that. We was just going straight down, okay, straight down. Um, so let me see. So I had to zoom out. And again, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I was when I was looking at this market, I was eating. Okay, I was eating. I was getting something to eat at a restaurant. Um, and I brought my laptop with me. I had a hotspot, so I wasn't laser focused, but I was looking at the market. Right, I had to zoom out. Good thing I zoomed out because I saw this inverse head and shoulders. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, this is why I tell you guys all the time. You have to zoom out to look at your levels, previous day levels, and current levels. Okay, so overall we have this level right here, this level right here, and boom, this level right here. So automatically I'm thinking, all right, Nasdaq most likely is going to react to this level. I don't know for sure, but I'm looking for reactions, and that's what I saw. I saw reactions, and then the market went up. I went long. Okay. Um, and it filled me a little bit, and I had to actually get in more. I didn't realize it didn't fill me on every trade. I mean, on every order. So I got in more around here. But anyway, pretty much this is where I got in right here, right when I saw the market popped up, and I was looking for a 3-to-1. Okay, so my 3-to-1 target was here, 61.50. So right here, 61.50, right here, yeah. So basically, that was my target, and it happened so quick because I'm gonna be honest with you. Um, I was out. I had to go. Like I told you, I was in a restaurant. I was eating, and I was looking at the market at the same time. I didn't get a trade right away. So when I left the restaurant, I was still didn't get a trade. So I said, you know what? Let me go to Walmart because Walmart was literally around the corner. Okay, around the corner for me. So I had to basically I had to go to Walmart real quick. And I don't recommend this, especially if you haven't done this before. But sometimes I do it if I gotta do something in a hurry. I bring my laptop and it's in the shopping cart. Okay, my laptop is in the shopping cart while I'm shopping. All right. Again, I don't recommend you do this, guys. Please. I've been doing this for a long time, so it is what it is. But anyway, I had my laptop in the shopping cart. I was picking up a couple of items. It was going to be a quick, shopping thing. And basically, while I was shopping, I saw the setup. Okay, so I entered the setup while I was in Walmart. I put it because remember I got my hotspot. I put the order in, and then when I put the order in, I just put my stop loss. I put my target in place right here. Put my stop loss below here, and I was just continue to shop. All right. But anyway, when I came back home, I said, you know what? Let me go live real quick, right? And I kid you not, guys. As soon as I was about to go live, it was like around this candle right here, and then the next candle just boom shot up. So it happened so quick to the point where I'm like, oh shoot, you know, whatever. But that was the trade, um, and that's what I was looking at. If you guys have any questions, type it in. But yeah, I made 13K on this account. This is pretty much a personal account. I know some of you guys are wondering, is this a prop account or I'm trading my own funds? I'm trading my own funds. Okay, so this is if you again if you're not used to this account, you could go right here. If you want to know if someone's trading on demo, if on this account, this would be right here. Okay, so you go sim mode right here. So let me click on sim mode. All right. So you see how it's blue right here. That's how you know if somebody's trading demo. All right. So this is a real account, and let me go back to basically the live account. All right. Boom. So this is a live account, guys. I'm trading my own money. Um, so that's what I was looking at yesterday. Remember yesterday we were trying to I was trying to get a sell right here at this supply right here, but it never went to that supply. Okay, it never went to that supply. Today did it go to that supply today? Let's see. Oh shoot! Look at this. Let me drag this. Let me drag this out to the left, to the right. Look. You see how? Oh shoot! So as soon as it hit that supply, you see how as soon as it hit that supply, it went down. Remember, I said this is a very strong level. Remember yesterday I was tell you guys this is a very strong level. We had a lot of a lot of things lining up around this level. Okay, we have resistance right here. We have more resistance to the left right here. So I was stalking this supply zone right here. This is the same supply zone I was telling you guys yesterday. I was looking for, to actually take a trade, but we didn't get there. But today was just, you know, along. Now, I'm not scared to take shorts in a bullish market. Um, Sometimes I might get stopped out. Sometimes I won't. Um, it doesn't matter. What I'm more concerned about the short term structure versus the long term structure. So I don't mind going short in the bullish market if it makes sense, right? If it makes sense. Sometimes I will get stopped out, But it is what it is. For the most part, if the structure looks weak short term, you know, I wouldn't mind going short in the bullish market. I know some people don't think that way, which is cool. There are different ways to trade the market. So, but that's how I was looking at the market today. Shout out to the chat. Let me look at the chat real quick. Shout out to you guys. I was basically breaking down how I made 13K today. Let me look at the chat. And I recorded this too, so hopefully I can get out the recording. I don't know. Let me look at the chat and see what's going on. So let's go to the questions real quick. Do you look at equal highs and lows? No, I don't look at equal highs and lows. No. Basically the market is uh, you know, based on levels. It can be equal. It could be equal highs. It can be equal lows. It could be one high. It could be one low. It doesn't have to be uh, you know, equal highs or equal lows. How long did it took? 8 years. 8 years. Any privacy protection on the application? What do you mean? On the thing? What do you mean by that? What symbol I'm trading? This is the Nasdaq right here. Nasdaq. This is the micros. Thank you, Master. Thank you for the master class and everything you've done. Pass my funded challenge with the plays you taught us. Let's go. Who's that? Angel G. Okay, shout out to you, Angel G. Let's get it. Money School said, nice to be here. Nice to be here too. Jizmar said same thing. Nice to be here, man. Shout out to you. You said some apps block screen and sharing screen on private. Oh well, man, I don't. Honestly, I don't know. I was trying to go back to. I don't know. I don't know if it's blocking or not. I got so many windows open. That's what could be a reason too. I'll figure it out later. Follow your rules no matter how the market is. Yeah, yeah. Tell me about it. Hold on. Let me see if I can get back this thing real quick. Hold on. Let me see. Nasdaq been trash July. Yeah, man. Last Nasdaq in July was trash because overall, I was talking to you guys before that, um, Nasdaq, um, Nasdaq. I mean, right now we in the summertime, so summertime is much slower. Please check I'm trying to. You said you want me to check Ethereum. Hold on, let me see if I can switch to the trading view. Just give me a second. Hold on, let me because right now, just give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna see if I can switch to trading view real quick. Sometimes, man, this thing be acting up. Let me see. Ben, how do you know a valid support and resistance? You never know. You never know. You never know. Just basically, I like to look for reactions around the level. You guys, you have to understand levels are not the holy grail. It's just you just gotta see how it reacts to levels. So you don't know if support or resistance is gonna hold up. You just gotta wait. Man, I'm trying to get this trading view thing. It's annoying. Let me see, guys. Let me see. Let me look at some more questions real quick. Yes, yes, yes. So I was breaking down the trade right now. I'm trying to basically go to trading views so I can look at some more charts. And I don't know why it's not letting me go to trading view real quick. Let's try here. See, every time I try to go to trading view, it's black. Ridiculous, man. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna figure this out. Let's look at some more questions. Do you think summer is slower than winter? Yeah, yeah. Summer is definitely much slower than winter. Definitely. Man, this is crazy, bro. I might have to just do. Hold on, let me see real quick. I might have to just do this. Let me see here. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know. It's not letting me show anything. Um, any promo for the course? Uh, I put it. I will put it in the description. I'll put it in the description. It's active summer because is it? You said is it active because Trump? No, I mean sometimes summertime is active. It's active, but overall, um, how much did you put on a trade on this trade right here? It was is a 3-to-1. So three times, it was like around a little bit above 4,000. Any tips on psychology? Yeah, psychology is basically it's like a muscle, right? So basically, um, you have to you have to work on it every single day. It's something that you have to work on every single day. So basically, um, man, this is annoying me right now. I'm trying to literally get to the trading. It's like my screen is locked. All right, guys. So anyway, let's go to So let me see. What do you think about cryptocurrency market for trading? I mean, if it's moving, yeah, you can trade it. I see some people trade crypto. You know, if it's moving. You know, any market you can trade. You know, you can trade any market. You know, if it has some movement, you can definitely trade it. Someone said I'm so done with this market. What are you talking about, Nasdaq? It's summertime, you know, so you gotta be patient with it. Just wait for your levels, look for some reactions, and that's it. You know, try not to like chase moves or get in. Like, be okay with missing out. Like yesterday, I missed. Like, guys, you had to understand. I didn't trade. This is my first trade of the week. We in Wednesday. Okay, so this is Monday right here. It popped up. It was just going straight up. So I didn't take no trade at all. Okay, this was Monday going straight up. I was like, I'll wait. The next day, straight down. I'll wait. And then we got um today finally got some pullbacks. Well, this is actually going straight down too. It was going straight down. I thought it was going to be another day where wasn't going to trade, but I had to zoom out on this one. I saw this inverse head and shoulders. I recorded the trade, so I recorded, you know, pretty much when I was in the trade, when I got out the trade. What's good, Chavez? Yeah, I know, bro. Chavez is like one of the OGs when I first started this channel, man. He's like one of my first students. Shout out to him, man. Swizzy. Shout out to Swizzy. Good to see you, man. What's going on, Savage? No problem. Don't worry, bro, about Trading View. Just asking questions. Appreciate it. Yeah, no problem, man. I'm just tight because I should be able to get it, but it's not allowing me to, you know, I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Oh, my thing, what's going on? What's going on now? Hold on, guys. See what I'm talking about? I don't know what's going on. Whatever. Anyway, I'm about to leave this live stream. When you say it took you 8 years, would you say you got your money back plus some? In that 8 year? No, not the 8 year, not the 8 year. I didn't get all my money back the 8 year. No. So I was slowly getting my money back. You know, slowly, slowly, slowly. When should I start taking bigger risk? Yeah, like I said, that's personal. All depends on your situation. Um, but basically, um, you can do it when you're consistent enough. Some people maybe want 3 weeks, 3 weeks of consistency, 2 months of consistency, 3 months of consistency. So it all depends on the person. How much is for the course? The link should be below. If not, I'll put the link in there. Let me see here. What's the best for trading? What's the best time? No, what's the best in trading? Forex, stocks, or commodities? That's a good question. Um, there's no really no best. There's no such thing as best. Basically, it's whatever fits you. So um, hold on, guys. I was trying to see if I could get that thing, but it's not going through. But yeah, it's whatever fits you, whatever fits you. I like right now like kind of commodities, futures. But whatever fits you. There's really no right or wrong answer when it comes to that. Yeah, Dalan, I'm gonna put the link in the description. What's good? What's going on, Devin? All right, let me get out of here. You said structure doesn't hold during the summertime. I mean, let's be honest. I mean, let's be honest. This year is if you're new to this market, this year is not, it's a tough year because I mean, this is why I want to go to TradingView because I want to show you the daily chart. But basically, you know what happened in January. Man, we went straight down. The market was bearish like crazy, and then we went straight right back up. So for a person that is new to the market, man, yeah. Listen, if you had a tough time this year, listen, there's nothing wrong with that. This market this year was kind of crazy, but you just gotta be patient with these levels. All right, let's see what's going on with this. All right, guys, because I can't work my trading view, so I'm just gonna redo it. I'm just probably gonna just cut out the stream, but let me look at the chat real quick before I get out of here. Ethan said too late in the day for you. Yeah, man. It's I was holding that trade and that trade worked out. New to this channel, learning, still on demo. Shout out to you, Walter. Thanks for coming through the channel. And if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit those likes. Do you have a time cut point? Meaning the day let me see. Yeah. So when I stop searching for a trade is 12 o'clock p.m. Guys, remember that level we were talking about yesterday? That level right here? Man, you see how it reacts to this level? It's having a hard time going above that level, man. But I mean, it doesn't mean nothing, because I mean, we can literally find support around here and go right back up. But I'm just talking about for the short term. We are short term traders. So this level hit lovely. This was a lovely level right here. Yeah, no problem. Ben, do you know what months are the hottest months? Um, it's usually the beginning of the year. Beginning of the year is usually hot, and the fourth quarter usually heats back up too. So I would say usually from January over to like May, June is hot, and then fourth quarter. So you're talking about maybe late September all the way to December. It picks back up. As a person who purchased the course in the beginning of my trade and learning and can honestly say Ben is very in depth and detailed and the materials still hold true to this day. Shout out to you, L. I appreciate that. Jesmar said I need to learn. Yeah, I'm gonna put the link in the description. Honestly, I wasn't really I didn't come here to, to talk about the course, but I wanted to either answer some questions and to show you the trade that I took today. But overall, yeah, I'm gonna put the link in the description after I finish this video. I'm gonna put the link so anybody can take advantage of that. But let me see here. Ben, have you ever went longer than a week not trading because it was no setups? Nah, it's you. I mean, it's usually a setup. Even if let's say even if I take two trades for the week or trade only 2 days out of the week, it's usually some setups. But for the most part, I can average 4 days, 3 days out of the week. I can trade. Some days I've traded every single day. All right, guys. So I'm out of here because I can't even do the setup that I want on this live stream. Let me try one more time, guys. Before I leave, let's try one more time. Let's see. See, you just added a browser. Browser sources let you display set a URL on the page you wanted to see. I don't know. I'm new to this. Let me see. It says set a URL. Like I don't know what they're talking about. I'm new to this, man. I'm gonna figure it out next time. I'm definitely gonna figure this out. Let me see if I can set a URL. That's crazy, man. This is crazy work right now. Oh boy, my kid. Oh man. All right, guys. We gonna we gonna basically we gonna do this later. I'll talk to you guys later. All right, guys.